Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a dark theme in your Firefox console. So you may have already set your Firefox to a dark theme like this, but when you go to open up your console and inspect element here, see it's still a light theme. I still had this as a light theme for a while because I never knew how to change it to a dark theme. I'm going to show you now. If you go over to this tiny button over here, the three dots, and then you go down to settings here, not this settings button, but going here and then clicking the settings button here, you'll see here you'll be able to select between light and dark. And now another thing I just want to show you, if you hold down Control and scroll your mouse wheel, you can also make the font size bigger or smaller, which I found to be super useful because I found the font to be kind of small at 1080p. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you.